Hello and welcome to this presentation on model welds. My name is Lee Snyder with the Steel segment at TechLink. We're quickly going to review some of the added functionality in version 20 and review some of the weld capabilities available now within Tekla structures. So what I'll do, we can just zoom in here to one particular area here and open up this weld dialog box and show you some of the new features that are available. So here, first and foremost, you can see the shape where you can define a continuous, stitched, or staggered welds. We also have this option here to put in preparations as well. So if you define, for example, a full or partial penetration weld, it will automatically go in and cut that material. So weld solids are now available for viewing in the model, where you can view the weight, the volume, the length of the weld information. So if we just quickly come in and apply this particular connection here, then we can take a look briefly at what's going on. So here we have this weld, which is going in and putting in an all-around weld solid directly into the model. If I come in and open up the properties of this particular component, then what I configure in here is exactly what I will get. So if I change this from an all-around weld just to be a near side weld, I can do that. I can switch this to be a near and far sided weld, and you can see that it's just coming in and placing in that information. Same type of thing, if we wanted to come in and set this up as a full penetration weld, I can come in and define a specific angle, turn my prep on, hit modify, and then it will go in and it will prep that piece depending upon whatever information I define within the dialog. Same options are available here within the particular components under the weld tab. So if I come in and load some predefined settings here and hit modify, you can see that it's going to come in and prep out this particular column here on the flanges there. So really cool. What you see is what you get. It will go in and prep the material based upon your settings. One other quick example to show some of the other options and availability is to come in and use this pour stop component, for example, which puts in a bunch of pour stop or bent plate. You can see this stitch weld here where it's calling in 3/16 fillet, 2 at 12, and then you can see the weld solids placed throughout there. So these can be colorized, they can be tracked, you can report the volume, the length, the weight, etc. about these particular welds. And this can be used in a wide variety of situations, either manually adding welds to the model or applying welds directly through our component. So if you haven't used this before, if this is new, we encourage you to go check out Tekla Structures version 20, and we hope you enjoy this new steel development.